It's true. Fat loss is on easy mode in 2025. By easy, I mean now anyone can lose 10 pounds of fat within 28 days using just 30 minutes of their day with the system I'm about to reveal. It's crazy, right? But this is both good news and bad news in itself. First, let me tell you the bad news. You see, there's a lot of misinformation online related to fat loss that could kill months of your progress and leave you stuck in a cycle of self-sabotage for years. But the good news is, this video will give you an easy-to-follow 3-step fat loss blueprint, which will help you shed 10 pounds of fat within 28 days without pushing bland foods down your throat or doing endless cardio. Heck, you don't even need to waste $1,000 on an online fitness coaching like I did when I look like this. Now, if you're still deciding whether to watch this or not, do me a favor, click off this video. Seriously, do it. Why? Because I'm only sharing a system with people who are damn serious about changing their lives. If you can't commit 30 minutes a day to transform your physique and build unshakable confidence, maybe this isn't the right video for you. The truth is, I got this system when I was at my lowest point of my life. Yeah, I'm talking about this. But after just 43 weeks of pure blood, sweat, and tears, I lost over 100 pounds and got jacked. Now that we have serious people watching this video, let's begin. To get things started, I want you to think of losing fat like cleaning a messy room. The trash, the books, the clothes, the clutter. That's like all the fat stored in one room. And the room is basically your body. Now here's the thing. You can't just throw everything out of your room. I mean, you still need your bed, your clothes, your phone charger, and all the essential stuff to live, right? The same goes for your body. It needs the right amount of food, sleep, and movement to stay healthy and actually burn that fat. But you know where most people messed up? They try to clean fat by starving themselves or doing crazy extreme diets for a few days to get a crazy ass transformation. They really want to fucking look like Brad Pitt, you feel me? But realistically, it's like throwing out your bed, your clothes, and your phone charger out the room, and then wonder where everything went wrong. That's why most people fail. But to avoid this, you have to understand step 1 of my fat loss system, the flexibility formula. To get things started, I'm going to tell you my story, and then I'm going to tie it back to the lesson I have regarding the flexibility formula. Let's time travel back to 2017. I look like this, fat, unconfident. And to be honest, when you're fat, the worst thing you feel is people's unwelcoming behavior towards you. You feel me? Anyway, I was trying to lose fat like a broke college student trying to make his first dollar online. I was desperate and willing to try anything. But after 2 months of grinding, I made little to no progress. I was trying everything you name here. Calorie counting, meal preps, 3-minute abs, cardio, and in step 2, I'm going to talk about this cardio shit, so stick around for that. I was trying intermittent fasting, but my weight loss numbers looked like a broken record, stuck at the same spot. I was depressed and downright confused. So I went back to the drawing board and realized something crucial. My nutrition was completely screwed up. I wasn't following one proven system. I was jumping between random tips and strategies. That chaos was the problem. After a few more weeks of testing, I finally found the one thing that worked consistently. It was the flexibility formula. But what is the flexibility formula? Flexibility formula is something I derived from the 80-20 rule, also known as Pareto's principle. To keep things simple here, It states that you have to focus on the 20% of actions that produce 80% of your results. And when you apply it to your nutrition, it becomes the goddamn flexibility formula that is sustainable for 1, 2, 3, or even 100 fucking years. Meaning you have to focus on 20% of nutrition that brings 80% of the results. Here's how. Point 1. The protein priority rule. Eat 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily. Hit this number no matter what else you eat. Point 2. The 80-20 meal split. Make 80% of your meals whole foods. Keep 20% for whatever you crave. Pizza, burgers, desserts. Point 3. The 1 ingredient rule. Choose foods with only 1 ingredient 80% of the time. Whether it's chicken, rice, apples, eggs, spinach, bull balls, or Greg do shit. Whatever. Now that we've simplified nutrition, let's dive into the biggest myth in the fitness industry, the cardio trap. Here's what happens. You start doing cardio to lose fat, and yes, it works at first. But then you end up looking skinny fat instead of lean and strong and jacked. 90% of people think more cardio equals more fat loss, right? And not gonna lie to you, cardio actually burns calories. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but here's the problem. Too much cardio actually eats away at your muscles while you're still losing fat. Case in point, a combination of 21 studies confirm that more frequent and longer cardio sessions can hinder muscle and strength gains. Think of it this way. Cardio is like adding sprinkles to ice cream. The sprinkles make it better, but they're not the actual ice cream. Your diet is the ice cream. Strength training is the ice cream. Cardio is just the sprinkles on top. Most people try to survive on sprinkles and wonder why they're still hungry. Here's the fix to clean up that mess from the room. Make strength training your foundation. Use cardio as a tool, not the main driver. Instead of running 10 kilometers on 1 banana, build muscle with weights and add some cardio for extra fat burning. Here's how I combine cardio and strength training to get killer muscle gains. Point 1. The 3-day strength rule. Do strength training 3 days per week, minimum. This builds the muscle that burns fat 24/7. Point 2. The 20-minute cardio cap. Limit cardio sessions to 20 minutes, max, 2 to 3 times per week. Any more starts eating your muscle. Tip 3. The post-workout timing. Do cardio after your strength training sessions. Write this on your eyelids. Never before, protecting your lifting performance first. Now that you understand diet and workouts, let's move on to the last step of losing fat. But it's the most important, yet often the most overlooked step of losing fat. The consistency cheat code. This is the final step for cleaning up that messy room. So here's the truth. You can have the perfect nutrition plan and the best workout routine, but if you only follow them when you sometimes feel like it, you'll stay stuck forever. Think of consistency like brushing your teeth. You don't brush your teeth only when you're motivated. You don't skip it because you had a bad day. You just do it every single day because that's what keeps your teeth healthy. You do it on autopilot. Fat loss works exactly the same way. The person who does an okay workout 5 times a week will always beat the person who does the perfect workout once a week. The magic isn't in perfection. It's in showing up consistently. Even when you don't feel like it. Even when progress feels slow. Even when life gets messy. You have to show up no matter what. You've got no choice but to show up. Here's my consistency cheat code system to stay consistent even on bad days. Point 1, the 10-minute rule. On days you don't want to work out, commit to just 10 minutes. You usually end up doing more once you start. Point 2, the calendar X method. Mark an X on your calendar every day you hit your nutrition and workout goals. Never break the chain twice in a row. It builds momentum. Point 3, the Sunday planning ritual. Spend 15 minutes every Sunday scheduling your workouts and meal prep time like business meetings, non-negotiable appointments with yourself. Look, I just gave you the exact system that took me from this to this in 43 weeks. But here's the thing. Knowing and doing are two different things. If you want me to personally walk you through this system step by step, show you exact workouts, meal plans, and accountability system that guarantees you'll lose 20 to 30 pounds in 90 days, I'm opening up 15 spots in my private community, and that's it. I want to give the people inside as much quality as I possibly can. If you're serious about finally getting the body that commands respect and confidence, click the link below right now.